In this video, we are going to see how we can make a stand in Please Donate on the Roblox mobile app. It's a pretty straightforward and easy process here, guys. But for making a stand, first of all, we need to create something that we need to place on the stand, and those are called passes in the Roblox application. So first of all, let's see how we can create the passes in Roblox. First of all, we will click on the bottom right hand corner. You can see it right here. Click on the more button and we head over to the create option. So once we are in the home, we will choose our place, and once you choose the place, then click on the three lines on the top left again, and we select monetization. Under the monetization, here is the passes option. So we select the passes just like so, and after that, as you can see, I have created some passes and enabled them as well. Some of them are off sale, some of them are on sale. So we will create a pass similar to that. Create a pass, click on this button, and it's your choice. If you want to add any image, you can leave it as it is as well. And let's say that we want to create test 150 Robux. You can name it however you want. Description, you can place or write any description for here. And after that, let's create a pass. Now the pass is created, but as you can see, it's still off sale. That means it is not enabled yet. What we need to do is just move next to it and click on the three dots, click on edit settings, and under the edit settings, you will click on this three lines again on the top left hand corner. Click on that, go to the sales, and we need to put item for sale so that it can appear in the game as well. Means it will be live. This pass will be live in the game, and we set the price. But just remember that Roblox application deducts some commission for them for issuing the Robux, or if someone purchased from you, it might deduct 20 to 30% based on whatever price you selected. So just keep that in mind. Click on save changes. But I have already created some passes, so I'll not create a new one. What we'll do is, after that, we head over back to the main screen, and from here we click on the home tab and try to play the game, that is Please Donate. Open this up. Here's the game. You click on play, and from here we just need to find an unclaimed stand. So here are the stands in front of us. It's also indicating where you need to go. So let's move ourselves to the stand, and once you're near the stand, you just need to hold this or tap this to claim the stand, and immediately you will see all the passes you will create will appear here. So that is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.